How to export contacts in Freshsales. So first go to your account and then you can just click on the gear icon here at the left side. Next is you can just click on account settings here at the bottom and then click on account settings here again. Okay, now once you're here, you just need to select export data here at the right side and then select the time period. So I'm just going to select 7 days and then select contacts here. Now here you just need to click on export data at the bottom. Now you just need to wait, as you can see the pop-up here. Okay, as you can see, as from the pop-up, you'll receive an email with a link to the zip file. So let's just go to our email here. Let's just go to my Gmail, and then you can see the Freshsales here. And then here, you just need to click here, download the data. And there you go. Now you just need to open it up. There's a zip file. Okay, contacts, as you can see, now this is the data. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.